Do you want to impress the TOEFL graders with your writing skills? Do you want to score a perfect 5 on your TOEFL writing? If yes, then you need to know what the TOEFL writing section is all about and 6 best strategies on how to tackle it. Hello, welcome to the first episode of Global Exam Insider, where we are diving into the exciting world of exams like IELTS, TOEFL, GMAT, GRE, SAT, PTE, and all those acronyms that leave your head spinning. But fear not, we are here to share the secrets on how to ace these exams and make your study abroad dreams a reality. Without further ado, let's get started. TOEFL Writing Section. TOEFL Writing Section has 2 parts, the Integrated Writing Task and the Independent Writing Task. Let me break them down for you. Integrated Writing Task. In this part, you will read a passage and listen to a lecture on the same topic. Then, you will write a summary of how the lecture relates to the passage. Easy peasy, right? Wrong. You only have 20 minutes to do this, and you need to pay attention to the main points, the supporting details, and the differences or similarities between the 2 sources. You also need to use your own words and avoid copying from the passage or the lecture. That's a lot to do in 20 minutes, right? Don't worry, I'll show you. In this part, you will write an opinion on a given question raised by the professor, expressing your ideas and supporting them with reasons and examples. This is your chance to show off your creativity and critical thinking skills. But don't get overboard. You only have 10 minutes to do this, and you need to address the task, organize your ideas, use appropriate language, and demonstrate your knowledge and perspective. An appropriate sample answer has to be of 100 words. Your responses will be scored from 0 to 5 based on how well you do these things. A score of 5 means you wrote a clear, coherent, and well-developed essay that fully addresses the task. 6 tips to nail the TOEFL writing section. You already know the drill. The TOEFL writing section has 2 tasks. There are some tricks you need to know to ace this section. Here are 6 tips that will help you write killer responses and get a high score. Read the prompt carefully. Don't just skim. Make sure you understand what you have to do for each task. For the first task, you need to summarize the lecture and how it relates to the passage. For the second task, you need to state and support your opinion. Stay on the topic. Make an outline. Don't just start writing. Spend 1 to 2 minutes to plan your response. For the first task, list the main points of the lecture and how they agree or disagree with the passage. For the second task, write your opinion and main points that back it up. Structure your paragraphs. Your response needs to have a proper format. For both writing tasks 1 and 2, you need to follow an appropriate format of writing. Vary your sentence structure. To show your language skills, you should use different types of sentences such as simple, complex, compound, and compound complex. Don't repeat the same sentence pattern. Also, don't use sentence fragments, run-on sentences, or comma splices. They will hurt your score. Here are some examples of how to vary your sentence structures. Simple. I like cats. They are cute and fluffy. Compound. I like cats, but my brother prefers dogs. Complex. Although I like cats, my brother prefers dogs. Compound complex. Although I like cats, my brother prefers dogs, so we have both pets at home. Use academic vocabulary. Vocabulary is another key aspect of your language skills. You should use formal, precise, and topic-appropriate words in your essay. Don't use slang, idioms, or colloquial expressions. They will make your response sound casual and unprofessional. Also, don't use words that are too easy or too hard. They will make your essay sound childish or unnatural. Use a thesaurus or a dictionary to find better words. Easy. The lecture is about animals. Better. The lecture discusses zoology. Hard. The lecture elucidates the intricacies of zoology. Better. The lecture explains the details of zoology. Slang. The lecture is awesome. Better, the lecture is impressive. Idiom, the lecture is a piece of cake. Better, the lecture is easy to understand. Colloquial, the lecture is kinda boring. Better, the lecture is somewhat dull. Follow these tips and you'll write awesome responses and get a high score. Good luck and happy writing. We hope you find this video useful and understand some key aspects of the test. Remember, preparation is the name of the game. If you have any doubts regarding TOEFL, feel free to ask us in the comment section. Do subscribe to our channel and to catch the latest episodes of Global Exam Insiders.